How to add your relationship status in Facebook. First, you need to go ahead and open your Facebook application or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. And from the menu that appears, go to your profile. Once you're in the profile section, scroll down and tap on Edit Public Details. Here you'll get different options. Again, scroll down and tap on Edit Your About Info. Again, you'll get different categories like contact info, work, education, places lived, basic info, other names, and relationship. Here, tap on Add Relationship Status. Then go ahead and tap on this drop-down menu over here. You'll get various options like single, in a relationship, engaged, married, in a civic partnership, separated, divorced, widowed, it's complicated, and all. You can select any one according to your preference. You can also select the audience that you want to share your relationship status with, either public, friends of friends, or you can also go for the custom settings. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.